Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to pair the HBS 730 stereo headset, this one, to a smartphone. The steps are pretty simple. First thing, you have to make sure that the device is charged, because as it turns out, a lot of these headsets, a lot of these devices, they will not pair with the smartphone if the charge is anywhere less than 30% or 20%. So make sure that the device is charged. That's number one. Number two is, on the Bluetooth, go to the Bluetooth settings page and make sure the Bluetooth is on. What I'm doing right now is I'm at the Bluetooth settings page. I'm going to stay here, and later, once I have started operating on this particular device, I will go back here and refresh it. So now on the headset, we're going to look for the on-off button. This one, I'm going to switch it to on. The moment I do this, it vibrates, and you can see that LED light is blinking. I'm going to make sure that the focus is working here. You can see an LED light blinking. This basically means that the device is now in pairing mode. So now what we're going to do is we'll go to the Bluetooth settings page on our smartphone. Let me go, there we are. And see, immediately I'm getting an option called HBS 730. So I'm going to click on this. Pair with HBS 730, yes, click on pair. The device is now paired. I don't know if you can tell, but I got an audio prompt on this one. And you can also tell by other ways that the device is paired by just looking at it. It says active, and there is 70% battery, which is great. Let's play some music and see if this actually works. I'm going to play some light jazz just because. Let's see. I think a very old piece of music. Yes, it works perfectly. So if you want to just stop pairing this device, all you have to do is there are various ways of doing it. One way of doing it is just switch off Bluetooth and you're done. Another way of doing it, in which case I mean if you want to use a device to switch off pairing, then just go to the on off button right over here and toggle it to off, and you're good to go. And that's it. That's how you pair the HBS 730 stereo headset to a smartphone. Thank you for watching.